How to bet on 1xBet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can bet on 1xBet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to bet on 1xBet, it's very simple. First of all, open up 1xBet app, make sure that you sign into your account, and then you're gonna see this type of interface. Now from here you can select different sort of categories where you would like to bet. Here you can see the live that is currently happening, or you can navigate to sports, esports, wherever else you prefer. Here select a certain game or something that you would like to bet on, and then from here you can just select the conditions on where you want to vote and so on. So over here you can just go ahead and try to decrease the bet, and once you have done that you can just tap the bet option over here in order to bet it. Also just make sure that you have enough funds in order to be able to bet on 1xBet. This way you will be able to bet on 1xBet. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.